My Shih Tzu, Suki, is enjoying the sun. Aren't you, baby? Hi, Suki. Suki. Suki is enjoying the sun. It's a beautiful sunny day outside. Hi, Pumpkin. And here's her little sister. Yes. They're both enjoying the sun, right? Yes, both enjoying the sun. So beautiful and sunny. That's their favorite spot to hang out on a sunny day. Huh? By the south window there with plenty of sun, baby. Right? Hi. Hi. Do you girls want to help Mommy with the laundry? You want to go to the basement to do laundry together? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Laundry time. Woohoo! Yes. Yes, laundry time. I wish you girls can help me do laundry. Do you have a hairball over there, Roxy? Hi. 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 Love you. Daddy's at work. You're just chilling at home with Mama. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. They do nothing but sleep all day. Lifestyle of the rich and famous, eh? Yes? 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 You get to watch Mommy film orchid videos? Aww. I have the best dogs in the world. Roxy, my Pomeranian, and Suki, my Shih Tzu. Say hello, world. Hello. Hello. They're my best friends. Yes, they are. Say bye. Bye. Bye, baby. Say bye-bye.